If you're a complete beginner and want to make real money on YouTube, this video is made for you. In this tutorial, I'll show you the easiest and most effective ways to get started today, even without any initial investment. I'll share all the behind-the-scenes strategies, from avoiding 0 views to increasing audience engagement to make sure your content is actually seen. Did you know that many channels make thousands of dollars a month just by telling stories? Because people love stories, and you can do the same thing. The important thing is that these types of videos are usually long and have a much higher monetization rate than shorter videos. For example, if one of your videos only gets 1,000 views from countries like the US, UK, or Canada, you'll earn between $15 and $25. These are some of the highest earning regions for YouTubers. If you're ready, click the like button now so we can embark on a successful and professional journey together. And believe me, you've probably seen one of these types of videos before. Channels that have made incredible money just by telling stories. Because the secret to success on YouTube is choosing a strong idea and executing it properly. Don't forget that the idea is the backbone of any successful video. If the idea isn't good, even the best thumbnail or the most professional script can't save it. Ultimately, success on YouTube comes down to just 3 things: consistency, creativity, and careful analysis. So are you ready? Let's go. And now for the exciting part, how to create a fully professional video that has a chance to go viral. That's where Motion.com comes in. Motion is an intelligent AI-powered platform that lets you create a complete video with just a simple idea, from images to music, voiceover, and even final editing. It only takes a few clicks to create high-quality, viral video content, even if you have no experience in video production. Or even if you want to get started today, Motion takes care of everything, so you can just focus on your idea and creativity. The sign-up link is in the video description. Try it now. A simple opportunity to create videos that actually get seen and make money. Now that you're signed up, a world of possibilities awaits you. Using Motion.com's AI tools, you can produce all kinds of engaging videos without the need for a face or professional equipment. General creation, general and creative videos for any type of audience. Faceless short videos without the need for faces or actors. History for kids, teaching history in simple language and stories for children. Science for kids, engaging and educational science videos for young ages. Bedtime stories, soothing night stories for children and adults. Islamic stories, educational and inspiring Islamic stories. Christian stories, moral and spiritual narratives from Christian stories. Buddha stories, stories of Buddhist wisdom and peace. Healing stories, meditative and relaxing videos for the mind and soul. Horror stories, real or imaginary horror stories with professional atmosphere and dozens of other styles. This platform is exactly what helps you produce content that is not only seen but also earns money. Log in now and create your first video. The registration link is in the video description. The Motion platform has finally been officially launched. If you are a content creator or even just have an idea in your mind that you want to turn into a professional video, there is no need to spend hours editing, dubbing, animating, or even writing scripts. Because Motion, with its amazing feature called Agentic Video Workflow, does all of these steps for you just by entering a short sentence. For example, for this test, I just wrote horror story, and that's it. I didn't set anything else. I didn't choose an image model, I didn't do a special voiceover or determine the style of the scenes. The Motion system itself came and completely automatically performed all the steps for me. Writing a script, selecting images and scenes dubbed with artificial intelligence, adjusting visual and text effects, and finally, outputting a complete, ready-made, and professional video. This means that Motion is by your side like an intelligent director. Just give it a simple sentence and it will prepare using everything for you using artificial intelligence and powerful models, even if you have no experience in video production. And the best part? You can try it right now. Just log into Motion and use my exclusive discount code. I have left the registration link, discount code, and more information for you in the description section and also in the pinned comment below this video. In the rest of the video, we will see together step by step how this magical platform with just one simple sentence created a complete horror video for me. So stay with me, because you are going to be really amazed. This site is one of the best sites I have ever seen. It is really amazing English. You can turn any video you have in mind into the video you want with a short chat. The video is created, you can download it, and now let's move on to the rest of our work. Now click on Horror Stories. In this section, there is a default prompt, but you can change it or try different prompts to achieve the desired result. Since I already had a ready-made prompt, I just copied it and pasted it into the prompt section. I will put this prompt on Telegram next. Go to the output language section. Here you can select the desired language for the video output. Any language you like, from English to French, Arabic, Turkish, etc. If you want, you can choose a face for the video narrator from the AI avatar section. There are a variety of avatars available depending on the topic and style of the content. Then go to the ratio section and choose the aspect ratio of your video, 16:9 for YouTube and desktop videos, 9:16 for Shorts, TikTok, and Stories, 1:1 for Instagram or Twitter posts. Next, we enter the visual style section. Here you can specify the graphic style of the video, for example, cinematic, fantasy, cartoon, etc. In this example, I choose the cinematic style because it is great for horror stories. And finally, just click Generate. The AI will immediately start creating your video, and in a few minutes, you will have a complete professional video. Now we enter the final part of the video production. First, a title is automatically generated for your video. If you wish, you can change or rewrite it as you wish. Then we go to the Regenerate section, where you can re-edit or change various settings. In the Animate section, you can add animation effects to the scenes and elements of your video to make your video more lively and engaging. If you enter a new prompt, the system will generate exactly what you wrote. You can even increase the duration of the video and make it longer. For example, from a short video to a 5 or even 10-minute content. In the Edit Image section, you have a variety of tools at your disposal, including adjust to correct light, color, and contrast, modify to change image details, erase to remove unwanted elements from the photo, change BG to change the background of the image, and many other settings that give you complete freedom in visual design. Now just click the Animate All button to automatically convert all your images into a smooth and attractive video. In the next step, click Next to reach the final stage. Here you can make the following settings. Choose a title for the video set. A subtitle if you need subtitles. Choose and set a custom thumbnail ad. Visual effects in the Scene Effects section. Choose transition effects between scenes in the Scene Transition section. Choose voiceover with different female, male, or digital characters' voices. And finally, select AI music for background music with various styles. After selecting all the desired settings, click the Composite button. And that's it. Your final video is ready to download, publish, or send directly to your YouTube channel.
The muted hum of her laptop was the only sound in the room, a soft and eerie drone that persisted even amidst the occasional rumble of thunder outside. Jenny sat hunched over, her fingers gliding across the keyboard in a gentle staccato rhythm, crafting stories to appease her restless imagination. Her bedroom was steeped in darkness, save for the faint blue glow radiating from the screen that bathed her in a surreal light. Rain pummeled against the window pane with relentless force, creating a symphony of dull clatter, an accompaniment to the isolation she felt. The suburban house was usually hushed at this hour, nestled in a fog that slithered down to veil lawns and streets in a spectral embrace. She found solace in these moments of solitude, captured within the cinematic angles of her mind that turned each stagnant detail of suburbia into a film-like narrative. The night, unwelcomingly pristine, lingered around her, held tight by a blanket of moody lighting and subtle film grain indiscernible yet present in her senses. The fog outside thickened, wrapping each ambient glow of street lamps in a cryptic shroud, rendering them distant as though existing on the periphery of a forgotten dream. Suddenly, Jenny's breath caught in her throat as her gaze darted instinctively toward the window. The hairs on her neck prickled at the sight, a silhouette stark against the rain-streaked glass. Black as ink, it poised there outside her second-floor room, unmoved by the gravity of its inexplicable presence. Her pulse quickened its cadence, the room's ambiance shifted. The laptop's light flickered as if acknowledging the distortion of her surroundings. That looming figure seemed to resonate with ancient whispers, echoing past tales wrapped in suburban folklore. Who or what it was, Jenny could not ascertain. The silhouette lingered, suggesting an outline yet refusing the gift of clarity. The rain cascaded over its form, painting an abstract horror against her perception. She swallowed hard, doubt clinging to her consciousness. No scream tore through the night, only silence deepened by the heavy rain and the fog swirling on the periphery of her awareness. Was it real or merely a specter conjured by her imagination, an ominous muse urging her toward inspiration? Jenny hesitated, her fingers hovering above the keys. What had been a cozy retreat now felt like an elaborate stage of haunting shadows. She reached tentatively toward her phone on the desk, contemplating a call for help. But as her resolve matured, the silhouette blurred at the edges, dissolving into the mist beyond the sheen of raindrops, vanishing with a promise of nocturnal secrets she could scarcely fathom. The room resumed its stillness, a void of sound untouched by the incident, yet indelibly marked in Jenny's mind. This was a tale she would write, one she knew would inhabit her thoughts like a long-lost echo from nights past. However, the chill of uncertainty lingered, a reminder that some stories are best left unwritten, whispering into the rainy abyss from whence they came.
Motion.com. Plans, summary. Free 200 credits. 16 scenes. 1080p output. Limited audio. Good for beginners. Standard, $15 per month. 1500 credits. No watermark. AI editing. More natural sounds. 10 gigabyte storage. Plus, $25 per month. Bestseller. 3000 credits. 32 scenes, faster creation, very realistic audio, 20 gigabyte storage. Pro, $50 per month. 8,000 credits, create 3 videos at the same time. Unlimited audio, 100 gigabyte storage. EDU, $6 a month. 1,000 credits for education, faster creation. Thank you for watching this video until the end. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to like it and write in the comments which part you liked the most. Until the next video, be successful and creative.